A couple of days ago, my litter that was born December 1st, 2024 to Zippy and the General had their temperament test at the Clark, Wyoming Fire Department. And that test revealed that this little fella right here is going to make a really good candidate for a therapy dog. He tested as though he was the perfect fit for a family. He's going to do great with training and with other animals, household animals, and just animals at large, as long as he continues to have proper socialization through his imprinting phase. And he is Bugs. So Bugs is going to go live, I believe, in California to a family. No, sorry, he's flying away to Wisconsin. Yeah, he's flying to Wisconsin to a family that was considering entering him in a therapy program at a school. So I wanted to show you some of the things we're still working on with Bugs. He's just so chill. We're still doing his ears, checking those every day like a vet would do. And then we still check his eyes. Pop him on the nose. Look at his teeth. Look at his mouth. We're still just putting him in all kinds of weird, awkward positions. He's good with that. Giving him tugs on his tail. Touching him, pulling on him, tugging on him like kids might do. He's totally good with that. We are at Baumgart's, by the way. The weather was so bad today that everyone planning to attend the puppy reveal party had to cancel. The roads are just atrocious. So we came into Baumgart's to film our puppy reveal video, and for as long as I can, I'm still holding him in my arms like a human baby. He's such a good, relaxed fella. He's got the hiccups right now. And then we still put him on an elevated surface on his back like you would do at a vet's for an exam on his belly. He doesn't mind that. We still put pressure on all of his little toes as though we were clipping them. Lots going on at Baumgart's, even though the weather's bad. The wind is really high right now. Okay, then put him on the leash before I put him down. Good boy. So he's still good with being on a leash. Bugs! Puppy, 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 puppy. Good boy. Uh-oh. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Where you at? Puppy. We're still working on manding, where he sits and makes eye contact. Sit. Good boy. Good eye contact. And when he does, he gets a treat. We mark his behavior still with a click, followed by a treat. And I give him a little bit to snuffle. Puppy, 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 puppy. There's some more to snuffle. Puppy, puppy, puppy. And then I can also get him to walk with me on a leash. He'll go anywhere I want him to go. Walk with me. Walk with me. Good boy. Walk with me. Good boy. Good boy. Bugs. Walk with me. Good boy. Walk with me. Get it. And Max, Mr. Bugs. He'll be going home sometime in early February.